Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Shaunneka and today's yoga flow is going to be a sun salutation. I will be walking you through Sun Sal C. It is my favorite sun salutation. I just find it very flowy and fluid. It really helps with spinal flexibility and opening up through the hip flexors. So I will be walking you through that today. We will be doing about 5 rounds or so, and Sun Sal C is a great way to prep the body before a vinyasa practice or a nice quick 5 rounds to do in the morning before you start your day. So as always, if you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you again for practicing with me today. Always remembering to hit that like and subscribe button so that you're notified every time I upload a video, and being sure to leave a comment so I know how you got on during the class. So for this practice, you will not need any props, and we will go ahead and get started standing at the top of the mat. So starting at the top of the mat, big toes are touching, slight part in the heels. Draw the shoulders away from the ears and down the back. And then just go ahead and gently tuck your tailbone under. Palms open. Just taking this moment now to set your intention for your practice. Feeling the weight evenly distributed in the feet. Let's go ahead and inhale, arms rise up to prayer. And exhale, hands come out wide, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back with your left foot. Bring the left knee to the mat. You can keep your fingertips here, just enjoying the nice stretch, or you can bring your hands up onto your right knee. Let's go ahead, tuck your left toes under, pick up your left knee, and step back with the right foot. Downward facing dog. Inhale here. Exhale, come forward. Bend the knees drop to the mat. Send your hips back. And we're going to roll through. So it's almost like you're trying to pull the mat towards you. Bring your forearms to the mat. Roll through. Get that nice spinal massage. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Inhale, your left leg lifts. And you're going to step the left foot through this time. Right knee comes to the mat, keeping your fingertips on the mat, or you can bring them up onto your left knee. Tucking your right toes under if they aren't already, pick up your right knee and step up to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, and exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up, bring your hands to prayer, slight back bend. And exhale, this time reach your hands behind you. Interlace your fingers. Reach your knuckles towards the backs of the knees. Inhale. And exhale, fold forward. And let the head hang heavy. See if you can spread your shoulder blades wide here. Release the grip. Bring the hands to the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, step back with that left foot again. Left knee comes to the mat. This time, inhale, arms up. Nice deep breaths. So remembering you're not sinking in your shoulder girdle, or you're not sinking into your belly and you're not sinking into your hips. So it's looking for an up and out action. So really lifting up and out of those hips. Go ahead, sweep the hands down. Tuck the left toes under, pick up the left knee, and step back with the right. Downward facing dog. Inhale here. And exhale, come forward, bend the knees. Knees drop to the mat. Send the hips back. Round forward. Upward facing dog. downward facing dog. Inhale, the left foot steps through, right knee comes to the mat. Inhale, arms up. Find that length. Sweep your hands back down, tuck the right toes under, pick up that right knee, and step up to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, and exhale, forward fold. 3 more rounds. Inhale, rise, arms up, hands to prayer, slight back bend. And exhale, bring your hands behind you, reach your knuckles towards the backs of your knees, and fold forward. Release the grip, hands plant, inhale, and exhale, step back with that left foot. Left knee comes to the mat. Inhale, arms up. You can untuck your left toes if you'd like, and exhale, you're going to bring your arms out wide, and lead with the chest. Plant your hands back down onto the mat, tuck your left toes under, pick up your left knee, and step back. Downward facing dog. Inhale here. Exhale, come forward, bend the knees, send the hips back towards your bum, round forward, upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Step through with the left foot, right knee comes to the mat. Inhale, arms up, untuck those right toes if you like, and exhale, sink forward and allow your arms to open out wide. Plant your palms back down onto the mat, tuck your right toes under, and step all the way back up to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, and exhale to fold. Adding on 2 more rounds. Inhale to rise. Bring your hands to prayer, slight back bend. Reach your hands behind you, interlace your fingers. Inhale, and exhale. Reach your knuckles towards the backs of your heels and bend your knees. Chair pose. Inhale, and exhale, fold forward. Gonna do 3 more like that. Inhale, bend your knees, reach your knuckles, chair pose. And exhale, fold. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Inhale, chair pose, reach. And exhale, fold. Release the grip. Plant the palms. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, step back with your left foot. Left knee comes to the mat. Inhale to rise. And exhale to open wide and sink. Plant the palms. Tuck the right toes under, tuck the left toes under, pick up the left knee, and step back. Downward facing dog. Inhale here. Exhale, come forward. Bend the knees. Send the hips back. Round and roll through. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Left foot steps through. Right knee comes to the mat. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, sink forward and open up the arms. Plant your palms. Tuck your right toes under, pick up your right knee, and step up to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold. Last round. Inhale to rise. Hands to prayer. Lean back. And exhale. Interlace your hands, bend your knees, chair pose. Inhale. And exhale, fold. Inhale, chair, reach the knuckles. And exhale, fold. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale, fold. Sweep the hands down, plant the palms. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. And exhale, step back with your left foot. Left knee comes to the mat. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, feel the openness, arms out wide, sink forward and down. Plant the palms, tuck the toes under, and step back. Downward facing dog, inhale. Exhale, come forward, bend the knees, send the hips back. Roll through. Find your upward facing dog or cobra. Downward facing dog. Left foot steps through. Right knee comes to the mat. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, sink forward and down and open up those arms. Plant your palms. Tuck your right toes under, pick up that right knee and step up towards the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold. So from here, just bring your feet about hips width distance. You're going to take your hands and bring them underneath your feet so that your toes are grazing the crease of your wrist. Inhale here to a flat back. And exhale, fold. Elbows come out wide. You can sway from side to side, bending one knee, straightening the other. You can nod and bounce. Removing the hands from underneath the feet, plant the palms, step back. Find your plank position. Inhale here. And exhale, just lower to the belly. And from your belly, rolling all the way onto your back. Once on your back, go ahead and bend your knees in towards your chest and just rock gently from side to side. We'll take a twist from here, extending your left leg straight down onto the mat. Grab a hold of your right knee with your left hand and twist to the left. Gaze to the right. Coming back through center, switching sides, extend the right leg, bend the left knee. Take a hold of the left knee with the right hand and twist to the right, gaze to the left. Come back through center, grab a hold of your knees. We're going to curl into a nice tight ball. Grab a hold of your heels, squeeze, 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 squeeze for 3, for 2, inhale, and exhale, release, extend your legs out wide, arms out wide for your Shavasana. Remembering to show yourself some gratitude. Feeling free to stay here for as long as you like. I hope you enjoyed this short Sun Sal C flow, and I will see you back here again soon for yet another yoga practice. Have a wonderful day.